Hi and welcome to RC Nerd 74. In today's video I'm going to give you a short review about the Jumper T8SG Plus. It's the V2 version you can see here. The reason why I'm going to talk about it is because I recently found, in my opinion, the perfect battery for this radio. The Jumper T8SG is a great radio for FPV. The reason why I use it for FPV is because it's pretty small, it's pretty lightweight, it's around half the weight of a regular RC transmitter like my Futaba T8SG, and it's perfect for hiking. With FPV flying you carry around all your stuff and you like to have as little weight as possible in your backpack, so this is really a perfect radio for FPV. There are also a lot of other cool features this radio has. It has all Hall gimbals. They run extremely smooth. I really like the gimbals of this radio. You have enough switches to program your radio. You have a really nice bright black and yellow OLED LED, which is also very good readable at daylight, at sunny days. And there is also a built-in multi-protocol, so you have protocols like Futaba, SFHSS, FRSky, FlySky, Valkera, and a lot more. On the back side you also get your external module bay, so you can put in, for example, TBS, Crossfire module in there, so it's a really very functional little radio. There's one downside on this radio, and this is the battery compartment. The battery compartment is pretty small. I really had struggle finding a Lipo with nice capacity. That means 2000 milliamp hours or more. Recently I just figured out that the battery I use for my Fat Shark goggles, the Tattu 2S battery with 2500 milliamp hours, just perfectly fits into the small battery compartment you have on this radio. Let's have a look inside the compartment. As you can see, it just fits exactly in. The most important part for me is there is no modification needed on the cables, on the wiring of the battery. You can use it just like you get it from your local hobby store. Let's have a look. We just unplug the balancer plug, which powers the transmitter, and then we're already done to take out the battery. It's just a perfect fit. You can leave the stock charging port on the battery. What you need separate is the charging cable, which also comes with Fat Shark goggles. So that's a really great solution, in my opinion, to use this Tattu Lipo to power up the Jumper T8SG Plus. To put the battery back into the compartment, you just have to put in the battery in a centered position, then plug in your balancer connector, and then take the charging port and put the cable beside of the battery inside the compartment, just like this. Push down the cables and you're good to go to close your compartment, and the radio is ready to go. Currently on the market you cannot get anymore the V2, there is only the V3 of the Jumper T8SG. This has another solution for the battery compartment. There is another compartment you can also fit 18650 lithium ion batteries. So in this case you have solved this issue about low capacity batteries you have to put in this radio here. Lithium ion batteries you can get up to 4000, 5000, whatever milliamp hours. So with the newest version of this radio you don't have this issue at all. But for all who use the V2 version, I think this is the best solution to get a battery with quick charging capabilities, which is also a plus in comparison to the lithium-ion batteries. And you have enough capacity in this battery to enjoy a long day of FPV flying without getting in trouble with your battery capacity. This is all about this short update about the Jumper T8SG Plus V2 version. I hope you liked the video. Have a good time. Happy flying. Bye bye.